You know what? That light bulb was also burned out. We took that, and you can take it out and then go and put it on in one of your lamps inside your house, let's say, to make sure. So I got another bulb here. This is just a CFL, and it's the equivalent of a 75 watter, but it only takes, what is it? 26 watts. See right there, 26 watts, but it's the equivalent, oh, I guess it's a 60. Well, that seems kind of odd that it's so big. Thought it was the equivalent of a 75, but maybe not. Okay. I'm gonna screw that up there. We're just gonna see if it's gonna go on. The light switch is turned on. We'll just see if that eyeball, that little seeing eye, is even working.
Who is it?
Oh, you know what? I can't get it screwed in there because this base is too big. Doesn't fit.
Do you want the other one?
Yep. This compact fluorescent bulb really is not designed to fit in there. See how big this this collar is right here, and the one out here is really designed for like a floodlight. Now they had just a regular bulb in there, and you saw how long and narrow the neck was for the regular standard incandescent light bulb, but she's got a different bulb. We're going to try this other one here. She's bringing it out. Let's see what happens with this. This is an actual floodlight here. You can hold this. See here, this is an actual floodlight, and I'm hoping this is going to fit in there. I don't know if that's going to fit or not. See, that almost looks the same. It almost looks the same, doesn't it?
What did you have initially?
Well, initially you had just a regular light bulb in there. I don't even know if this one's going to do it. That's kind of funky. You might have to just get a standard incandescent light bulb for that type of sleeve. We'll try it. I'll climb up there and see. Oh, no go. How rude. How rude that is. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to find a regular bulb. That is kind of amazing. Maybe years ago. See, this one is a compact. See the curly Q in there? That's the compact fluorescent, and they just made them with the bigger end to it rather than a standard spotlight. These threads would actually be longer, and you could screw it right in there. That's kind of amazing. All right, we'll have to find something else to make work. Okay, so there's a tip for you. When you're going to change out your bulbs, your spotlights, your flood spotlights to a CFL spot floodlight, or even an LED floodlight, make sure the threads are the same, especially if you have a collar outside like this. There's a tip for you. Now we found an LED light. See how it's got these fins on here? And this base looks just a little bit smaller in diameter than the CFL base. I think this might barely squeeze in there. I'm going to try it and see. It's probably best to have an LED in there anyways. A little more economical for you, especially if you're going to leave the light on all night. Or for the majority of the night. We'll see. Negatory! Stupid light fixture! I can't believe it.
Maybe we're supposed to buy a
We've got all this stuff that we cannot upgrade that, and we may have to just get just a standard incandescent light bulb, a funky bulb, and we'll just have to do it that way. Or the other thought would be to get that entire light fixture and replace it with a new one. This light fixture is probably 25-30 years old, and the new collars are extra fat, you know, up there. They kind of come out wider, so then you should be able to put any type of bulb in there you want. Okay, well, that's good to know.
Okay.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.